Understanding Spotless Skin, a guide to English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, spotless skin. This phrase is not just about vocabulary but also a window into cultural nuances and everyday language. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it in different contexts. Spotless skin is an adjective-noun combination. Spotless means completely clean or without any marks. It is often used to describe something so clean that not even a small spot or mark can be seen. When we combine it with skin, which refers to the outer layer of our body, the phrase describes a skin condition that is perfectly clean, clear, and free from blemishes or imperfections. In many cultures, having spotless skin is considered a sign of health and beauty. This phrase is commonly found in beauty and skincare advertisements. It's important to note that while this term is used in positive contexts, it can also set unrealistic beauty standards. Therefore, when you come across this term, it's crucial to understand both its literal meaning and its cultural implications. 1. The model in the advertisement had spotless skin. 2. He followed a strict skincare routine to achieve spotless skin. 3. Many products promise spotless skin, but it's important to have realistic expectations. These examples show how the phrase can be used in everyday conversations and in marketing. Understanding synonyms can help expand your vocabulary. Here are some: flawless skin, clear skin, perfect skin. Each of these carries a slightly different connotation but revolves around the idea of having blemish-free skin. And that's a wrap on our exploration of spotless skin. Remember, language learning is not just about words but understanding their context and cultural significance. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your English learning journey. See you in the next one.